How's it going, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed that little cinematic of the helmet getting unboxed. It was fun to make, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But as you can see here, I took the cheek pad out of the EOX helmet, and you can see the cables underneath, which is for their shockwave, which is like a pre-installed cable management system that they have for the helmet. So if you choose to buy their shockwave, it's literally just plug and play. You just plug in their cables and away you go. Also, here's the extra cheek pads. So these are slightly thicker pads. So if your head is too small for the helmet, chuck these pads in and it should make it a bit tighter of a fit. And then here is the additional visor that you get. It's a smoked visor. So you get one clear and one smoked, as well as a pin lock. So the pin lock is for the visor of your choice. So I choose to put it in the smoked because the smoked is the one that I use the most. Enough rambling, let's jump on the bike and see what it's like.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? So, we're now on the bike. Helmet is on, GoPro is on. I have no idea where I am. It's a cool little place, so I thought I'll just check it out. It's literally in the middle of nowhere. It's like all these fancy houses in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, so I got the GoPro on so you can actually see what the helmet looks like. I will definitely say it is quite firm, especially around the cheek pads. I do have the smallest size in, and my cheeks feel smushed. Hopefully they wear in a little bit, so they're not as smushy, because I can't even like buy it down. That's how like smushed they are. But I believe they should reduce in size by about what 15-20%, so that should make it a lot more comfortable. In terms of wind noise, holy, like I had my Atlas V3 or 3.0 and that thing had wind noise like crazy. And this is like isolated. I can barely hear wind. Like I don't even need earplugs in. That's how good of wind noise reduction this helmet has. Like I feel like I could comfortably ride. This is an intersection. I feel like I could comfortably ride without earplugs if I needed to. Or if I forgot to put them in, I would probably forget that I even needed them with this helmet. It is actually crazy. I know RUROC gets a lot of backlash and stuff from people in terms of protection and stuff, but I mean, like, look, I mean, I know you can sometimes only crash once, but those people that say they're so bad, like, how do you know that? Sorry, I'm just curious, like, have you worn one and crashed in it, and then now you're not alive, and now that's why you're commenting on videos saying that the protection sucks? Like, I'm just curious, like, or did you get a severe brain injury because you wore a RUROC helmet? That's what I mean, like, where's these, like, stories coming from of people saying that they suck at protection, and you should get a Shoei or, like, another high-branded helmet? Like, I mean, something on your head is better than nothing on your head, is what I would say. So as long as you have something, I would say that's better than nothing. And especially if it's a full face helmet as well, not like a half dome on your head, or a brain bucket. I made neutral. Or a brain bucket, as some people call them. So I mean, like, look, if you like the helmet and it fits fine, stick with it. I don't see what the issue is. And I should also say, this video is not sponsored by RUROC at all. This came from my own money and my own opinion. But I had 2 AGV helmets prior to this, and like I put one on the other day when I was waiting for this one to come. Holy, like I realized how much you cannot see out of other helmets. Like, you know when you watch like cinematic movies and they have yeah, so you know how you have cinematic movies and they have the bars at the bottom and the top? And you can't see what's going on, obviously, because the black bars are there. That's what it's like riding with other helmets. Like, riding with other helmets is like, you cannot see anything. You can only see, like, this small little portion in front of your face, and that's it. Like, with this helmet, like, I did not realize how much more you can actually see. Like, you can see everything. It's like you're not even wearing a helmet. And that's the same, it goes for my Atlas 3.0 as well. Like, I love my Atlas 3.0 because the fact is you can actually see. But yeah, I put on an AGV helmet the other day and I was like, okay, this is this is not going to work. I cannot ride with this. It was way too small in terms of vision. So yeah, I would definitely say, like, you know, my personal opinion, go RUROC. I had my 3.0 for what, since 2020 something? Whenever they released, 2021, 2022? Yeah, I've had it for 3 years, so yeah, 2022 was when I got it. I believe. That's when they came out, right? I can't remember. But anyway, besides the point, whenever the 3.0s came out is when I got my Atlas helmet. So, from then till now is how long that helmet served me for. I'm still going to wear that helmet. So that helmet's, you know, it's not looking flash, but that's going to be my helmet that I don't really care about. You know what I mean? Like, if I'm going to the gym or if I'm going out and about and I'm going to be taking my helmet off a lot, that's the helmet I'm going to be wearing. This helmet is going to be my specialty helmet, which is going to be my vlogging helmet, my I'm just going for a ride helmet, and my comfort helmet. If I'm going to go anywhere and get off the bike and, you know, and take my helmet off and put it somewhere, I'm going to be wearing my other helmet because I don't want this helmet getting damaged. You know, if RUROC want to sponsor me, I'll happily take the sponsorship because I love their helmets. But that's not what this video is about. This is my own opinion. So, yeah, in my honest opinion, I would definitely say if you have not tried a RUROC helmet and you're giving them, you know, crap for it, maybe ask someone that has one, or I believe they do have their try-ons in some places around the world. Maybe go to one of those and actually put one on and find the fit that actually fits your head as well, and see if you can go for a test ride. I mean, like, it's night and day in my opinion, and it's so much more comfortable. Especially this EOX helmet, it's like the comfort level is crazy, except for the cheek pads at the moment. But again, hopefully that sorts itself out later. And the isolation of the wind, I cannot hear the wind. It is absolutely crazy. I will say though, if I turn my head slightly to any angle, I can hear like you know, kind of like the wind going through the visor seal. I can kind of hear that. And I'm not gonna, I don't know how it's gonna go with rain, because with rain, the visor has like a gap in the middle, like on the sides, and it's a fairly open gap as well. So I don't want to say how waterproof it is yet, because those seals don't really look too trustworthy. But I will give them credit, because since they elevated the gap between the visor and the actual helmet itself, now when you lift the visor up, you don't get this like scratching. Like if I get a photo of my RUROC 3.0, whenever you put the visor up, you scratch the top of the helmet, and it was like, well, what's the point of that? I just bought a helmet and now every time I lift the visor up, I'm scratching it. That doesn't make sense. That's not practical. That's not good. But you know, it is what it is, you know. But I'm glad they addressed that in this helmet. I'm not sure if the 4.0s that's fixed as well, but I believe they might use the same visors as the 3.0s. Look, I don't have a 4.0 to tell you, so I'm sorry. But I'm riding one-handed, I just realized as well, for like the last 10 minutes. But yeah, the visor lifts up so easily. Like, I'm not going to lift it all the way up, but it's fluent. It just lifts up, locks down, closes, and stays locked. It's so good. Honestly, I cannot stress this enough. It's such a good helmet. I thought those were different type of plants for a second there. I don't even know where I am. I have no idea where I am, but this is cool. As long as the car doesn't come. Okay. Ah, it's a car! Alright. I've had enough. You know, I don't ask for subs, I don't ask for likes, but you know, it's there if you want it. You know what I mean? Like, you don't have to, but I'm just asking, it'll be nice. Look, doggy. It's such a chunky dog. But yeah, you know, where was I at? Yeah, but, you know, I appreciate it, and, you know, I've got 30 subs now as I'm making this video, and, like, that's crazy. Like, I didn't actually think 30 people would actually hit that button. Plus, like, I mean, like, wow, like, I can't believe the amount of views I've got on the videos. Wait, where am I? I don't know where I am. I am so lost right now. But yeah, you guys, like, the support has been nuts. I think I got like a video with like 30 plus likes on it. I mean, that's crazy as well. Like, I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. That's all I'm gonna say is I appreciate it so much. Like, so much. Wait, no, there's horses. Dogs, horses, what's next? Cats? But yeah, next video should be out maybe in a couple of days or a week. I don't know what that's going to be yet, or do I? You have to find out. But yeah, peace out. Thank you all for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Ride safe.